What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing a fall makeup transformation. Fall is my favorite time of year and I love the makeup looks that come along with it. So I'm super excited to just sit down, hang out with you guys and do a little transformation and do our makeup nice and fall-like. I'm thinking a vampy lip for sure, but I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do on the eyes yet, but regardless, I can't wait. I hope you guys are excited too. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. To start off by prepping my skin, I'm first gonna go in with this vitamin C serum. This is from and I'm gonna just pop this on. I'm gonna do about a pump. Sometimes I do a pump and a half. And I do apply this to my skin day and night. Oh my god, it smells so stinking good. I literally will never get tired of the smell of this. It does have hibiscus in it, so I don't know if it's the smell of hibiscus or what it is. It's just so like fresh and fruity. I'm obsessed. But this is a really great canvas to put on your skin before you go ahead and apply your foundation on top of it because it does get a little bit tacky. So it really is gonna help to adhere your foundation, but it's also really gonna help to moisturize your skin and definitely brighten it. You guys know I struggle with dry skin, so anything that is gonna give me some extra moisture, I need. And vitamin C is packed with antioxidants and collagen, so I do always like to use some sort of vitamin C product in my skincare routine. I've been using this for about a month now, maybe a little less than a month, like 3.5 weeks, and I have really been enjoying it. The hibiscus is also really good too for any dark spots that you have because it has exfoliating properties in it, so it's gonna help to fade any dark spots you might have from the sun. I also have a lot of redness in my skin and this definitely tones it down, so it almost acts as like a little bit of a color corrector because I don't like to go in with like tinted color correcting products, especially for redness, because I feel like then I always have this like weird green cast on my face where this can kind of just do it on its own. Even though the product is such a pretty pink color, but it definitely tones down my redness. You guys have probably already seen from the beginning, but I'm obsessed and I've really been liking using that to prep my skin. And then I also do use it at nighttime during my skincare routine as well. So I want to thank Teamy for partnering with me on this little section of today's video. They did give me a coupon code for you guys, which is code Strack, and you can use it for 15% off of the product. You can get their products on their website, which I'll link down below. They do also sell it at Ulta as well, but I have really been enjoying it. I'm gonna use these pins to just pan my hair back. I just blow dried it, so I feel like I'm gonna get little creases, so I was trying not to use the pins, but I'm like, okay, no. Need to get this out of my face. I'm actually really excited today because I feel like so often in like my videos and stuff, I'm using like new products, which is like fun and exciting. And I'm like testing all new stuff for the first time where like today I can just like sit and chill and like show you guys the products that I've been using all the time that I've really been loving. So it's fun to do that for a difference and like show you guys stuff that I use all the time that is not necessarily brand new or anything. But for my foundation, I've still been loving the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation from Fenty. I have shade 235. I hope this matches me. I did self-tan last night, but I think it will. So I'm gonna go in with this today as my foundation. I'm gonna use about 2.5 pumps of this. This does blend out really nicely with the brush, but I'll be honest with you guys, the brush that I have for it isn't clean. So we're gonna use the Beauty Blender. It is gonna give it a little bit of sheer coverage, but it's gonna be fine. It still has a really nice coverage to it, but the Fenty foundation brush that goes with this is really, really nice. That's what I like to use best. But this honestly blends really, really nicely with the Beauty Blender as well. Oh, and it smells so good. I'm obsessed with that Fenty smell. It's kind of like baby powder, but like in the best way. I hope you guys have all been having a good fall. I feel like I have been talking about fall even when it was still summer, where now it's like officially fall. So I don't have to hide it anymore because everyone was like, it's not fall yet, but now it is officially fall. Oh, I love this foundation. You'd see them were actually in Costco yesterday and they had all this Christmas stuff out already and I was like, oh my gosh, like it has already begun. And I know people are gonna be like, it's too early, but like honestly, I live for it. Like it's not too early. It's never too early for me. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. Is that? Yes, Cakeless. I was like, is it greaseless or it's cakeless? It's Cakeless Concealer. And I have this one in shade 3. I'm gonna put this on my under eye just to conceal out those dark circles. Someone told me apparently Hobby Lobby is like completely decked for Christmas already too, which I was like, oh dang. Because I love Hobby Lobby for like decor and stuff. I feel like they have the best when it comes to like holidays. So I'm excited. I haven't been over there yet, but I gotta get myself over there. It's gonna go ahead and blend this all out. I've really been liking this new concealer from Benefit. I feel like this year Benefit has come out with so many products that I really, really like. Not that I like didn't like their products before, but I feel like this year Benefit really like stepped it up with their products and I've really been enjoying them. Like this concealer, the Precisely My Brow. I mean, they've had that before this year, I think, but I really like that. All the cheek leader palettes and stuff and the new highlight. And this concealer is just really, really pretty. And I'll be honest, we're filming a fall makeup tutorial, but I would be lying to you guys if I didn't tell you that I was sweating right now. The sun is like beaming in on my back. Oh, I don't even think it's that hot outside. It's just, the sun is beaming on me. All right, then I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl Trublend Minerals Banana Powder. You guys know the drill with this. I love it. It's my favorite. Literally so good. Covergirl is another brand who I feel like really stepped it up this year too. Like they had a lot of like really good launches. I'm already starting to think of like my yearly favorites. Obviously we still have time because I'm filming this right at the very end of September. You guys will probably see this early October. Maybe you'll still see it in September. I'm not really sure, but I mean, we still do have a couple months left. And I'm sure brands are gonna launch a bunch of stuff for holiday. I've already started to see some of the holiday collections and stuff, and I'm like, oh my God. I always love looking at like the holiday sets, especially like Sephora and stuff. I just love going there during the holidays and seeing all the cute sets that they do. And I feel like that's like a great gift, you know? Like I always love to give stuff like that. Let me know down below what you guys have your eye on this holiday season. Anything in particular? I don't really have anything necessarily in particular that I like want or that I have like that I want to buy for like someone else. I'm kind of like, am I like behind? And I'm like, okay, no, Kelly, it's October. But when I was a kid, my mom used to kid that she like always had her Christmas shopping done by Halloween because she doesn't like to be stressed and she likes to get everything done like early. Meanwhile, I'm the person that's like at the mall on Christmas on like the 24th of December, always. I'm just gonna go in with the Laura Geller Baked Balance in Brighton. Ooh, almost dropped it there. In medium and just set that all down. I just use a very little bit of this, just lightly with the brush. Kind of go all over the face. All right, for my brows, I'm gonna go in with the Precise in My Brow from Benefit. I have this in shade 3. And we're gonna fill in these brows. When I'm done filming this, I really wanna take some pictures because I bought the new iPhone 11. I did a little vlog with it on my vlog channel, if you guys didn't see that, but I have been so eagerly awaiting to be able to take pictures and like use it and stuff because I didn't have a case and the case finally came in today. I didn't want to use it till I had the case just because I always drop my phone and I was like, I'm gonna go drop this dang thing and break it. I need to buy another one because they're so pricey. So I wanted to wait and the case came in today. So I'm gonna transfer everything over when I'm done filming and start to take some pictures on it. But definitely let me know if you guys got it. How do you feel about it? I was adamantly against it. I'm like, I don't need it. I'm not getting it, they're too expensive, blah, 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 and then saw all these videos of how amazing the pictures and videos were and was like, okay, I guess I'm getting it. Because a lot of times for our vlog channel and stuff, I'll use my phone, or when I'm doing like check-ins for like my main channel, if I'm doing like a full day wear test and a foundation or something, I'll use my phone to do that. So having a phone that has like better video quality like helps with my content. So I'm like, okay, like if I can create better content with it, I'll do it. So I did upgrade, so I'm excited and I want to see what the pictures are like because I also take a lot of my iPhone pictures with my phone too. Of course I take my iPhone pictures with my phone. I mean Instagram. I take a lot of my Instagram pictures with my phone because like the camera that I have for Instagram, like I'm not always gonna have that with me, you know what I mean? It's like a bigger DSLR camera, like I a lot of times don't have that, so a lot of them just ended up taking on my phone. So I did upgrade, but let me know if you did, and if you did, how you feel about it. All right, brows are done. That was actually relatively easy today. I'm like, what's going on here? Normally it takes me forever to do my brows. I do have this, which I have not used yet, so this is kind of like a little first impressions. This is the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I really wanted to use this in like a full face first impressions video, but then there was just so much new stuff coming out, I never got the opportunity to. So I figured I would use it today because it looks really pretty. And I know I want to kind of do like a deeper, vampy, like berry-ish lip, so I thought these colors would be really nice for that. So I'm gonna first go in with Carnelian, which is this shade right here. It's kind of like a mustard, and put that in my crease. Gonna just buff that on in. This has more orange tones than mustard actually. So I misspoke when I said mustard. I feel like it comes off like a more of a burnt yellow orangey shade. But regardless, just gonna buff that into my crease. Up next, I'm gonna go in with the Jasper. I was also really excited about this palette because it came in at a much lower price point. Like a lot of Natasha Denona's palettes are like 130 bucks, which is very expensive for an eyeshadow palette. Like her eyeshadow palettes are very good. Don't get me wrong, I do really like them, but that's a lot of money to spend on 15 shadows. But this one came in at a $65 price point, which is better. I mean, it's still expensive, don't get me wrong, but it was much more affordable. I'm assuming maybe the pan size on this one might be smaller, like you may be getting less product, but for me, I feel like I would rather get a smaller pan size and pay half the price than bigger pan sizes and pay 130 bucks, but I mean, that's just me. But I was happy to see it coming in at a lower price point. I feel like we need to go in with some deeper colors because this is starting to look like a very summery eye because of like the yellows and the orange and stuff, so we gotta go in with the deeper shades to bring back that fall vibe. So I'm gonna go in with Clove to do that. And I'm gonna bring this in the crease to bring that deep, kind of more depth and berry tone to the eye. So the eye is still looking like a sunset, but more of a fall sunset than a summer sunset. And I am gonna build some of that color in the outer crease as well. And then I'm also gonna go in with Clove on the lower lash line and blend that out down there. And then all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I think it's Phlox, Phlox, I don't know. I'm gonna spritz a little Fix Plus on my brush, and we're gonna go right on in. Oh, so pretty, wow. Love this. Obsessed. For my highlight, I wanna go in with this really pretty gold shade in Agate. And I'm gonna pop this in the inner corner to brighten that up. Ooh, wow, this is pretty. And then also bring it beneath the brow bone as well. Obsessed. Okay, so now we're gonna do winged liner, which it's been a minute. I'm gonna go in with the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner to do this. I feel like you can't do a fall makeup look without some winged liner. Like, I feel like they just go together hand in hand. So, gonna go in and create the wing. I forgot how much I love a good winged liner moment. I feel like I used to only ever do winged liner, and then I went to like never doing it, and now it's like sometimes doing it. Then for lashes, I'm gonna jump in with these. These are the Spice It Up from Bold Face Lashes. I love their lashes. They're super 3D and layered, and they look like mink lashes, but they're cruelty free. I do have a discount code with them. It's code Kelly if you guys wanna get some coin off. I'll have a link to this and to everything down below. I always link all of the products that I use. I'm gonna go pop these bad boys on to hopefully cover up these lash extensions that need to fall off now. Little pro tip, if you're not super familiar with applying false lashes, apply the glue to them and then wait like 30 seconds before you apply them to your eye, because that'll allow the glue to get tacky instead of like super liquidy, so it's less likely to go everywhere and it's gonna just stick wherever you put it. So I always like to do that, like wait like 30-ish seconds just so the glue can get nice and tacky. Makes it a lot easier. All right, now that our lashes are on, I'm gonna go in on my waterline with a black liner. This is just the Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Wicked. And I'm just gonna go in and pop this in my waterline. I feel like all summer long I do white liner in my waterline, and then all like fall and winter long I do black. And then I'm just going in with the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara to blend everything together. All right, now for our face, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Bronze Please Bronzer, and I'm gonna just bronze up the skin with this. I feel like whenever I do like a deeper lip like I'm gonna do today, I always feel like I really need to bronze up my skin, but then again I just like always bronze up my skin, so maybe it's just a personal thing. For contour, I'm gonna go in with this guy from MAC. This is the Sun Soaked Strip Next to Nothing Bronzing Powder. I love this collection, the packaging is so cute, but this is what the bronzer powder looks like. Just a matte bronzer to sculpt out my cheeks and a little nose contour action as well. Gotta blend that out a little bit. This bronzer I feel like is deceiving. Like it doesn't really look that dark in the pan, but it definitely applies a bit deeper. For blush, I'm gonna hop into the Sigma Blush Cheek Palette, and I'm gonna mix together these two blushes right here. So I kinda wanna do like a little deeper, darker blush today than I normally would do. And just pop that on the cheeks. A little berry moment and blend everything. For my highlight, I'm gonna jump into the Laura Mercier Face Illuminizer in Indiscretion. It looks like this. And I'm gonna pop this on my cheekbones. This is a bit of a more natural highlighter, but it can definitely be built up. Like if you guys see me building to make it nice and blinding. But if you don't like a super beaming highlight, you can definitely like play it down as well. But you guys know I like to glow. All right, now for the lips, which is like the star of the show. I'm very excited. I'm first gonna line my lips. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lasting Drama lip liner in Rusty Terracotta. And I'm gonna line my lips with this. And then for my liquid lipstick, I'm gonna go in with Ofra's Milan. This is one of my favorite fall colors. It's so stinking pretty. You guys can use code Kelly for a discount. It's like the perfect berry tone because it's like reddish, but it has that very undertone to it. Oh, I love it. And it's not too deep and dark. It's still like very wearable. Oh, I love. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Le Metallic Lip Gloss in Rouge Magma. Such a pretty shade. I'm gonna top it with this. Oh, I die. You could also definitely leave your lips matte if you wanted to do that too. It's up to personal preference, but I am obsessed with this look. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today and doing this little fall transformation. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.